Here I have Motorola Defy, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn off your Motorola, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In the following menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option recovery mode. When you see Android robot laying down on the screen and no command message under it, what you have to do is to hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option enter Fastboot. And that's how you can enter Fastboot mode. Here in this mode, like in the previous modes, you use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, enter recovery, reboot to bootloader, or power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option reboot system now, and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.